Our second and final application of multiple generality is to the analysis of definite descriptions. So definite descriptions are descriptions that are true of exactly one object or individual. So for example, the inventor of the zip, assuming that there was exactly one inventor of the zip, is a definite description. And so is the phrase, the cube to the right of A, or the brother of Anna, and so on and so forth. And in some cases, you also have disguised definite descriptions. So for example, when I speak of Smith's murderer, I imply that there's exactly one murderer of Smith. And so this phrase is also a disguised definite description, a description that is true of exactly one object or individual. Now, according to Russell's analysis of definite descriptions are true of an object if there's exactly one object of a certain kind. So he proposes to formalize the f as follows. There is an x such that fx, and for all y, if fy, then x equals y. Russell proposes to symbolize the definite description the f by means of an FOL sentence that is true if and only if there's exactly one object that is f. So let's look at an example to see how that works. Suppose I want to symbolize the sentence, the cube to the right of A is large. Now here the first part of the sentence, the cube to the right of A, that is a definite description. And so according to Russell's analysis, what this sentence is saying is that there is exactly one cube to the right of A, and this cube is large. Now we can symbolize that in FOL as follows. There is an x such that Cx and Rxa and Lx, and for all y, if Cy and Rya, then x equals y. So what have we done here? In the first part of the sentence we say that there is a cube, this cube is to the right of A, and it is large. And for any other object, if any other object is also a cube and to the right of A, then this object is identical to x. And so here we have symbolized in FOL the sentence that there is exactly one cube to the right of A and it is large. And that sentence, according to Russell's analysis of definite descriptions, is a good analysis of the sentence, the cube to the right of A is large. Okay, what have we done today? The main topic today was multiple generality, which refers to sentences that use several, perhaps nested quantifiers. And we talked about symbolizing such sentences that use multiple quantifiers in FOL. And we also talked about how you can assess the truth of sentences using multiple quantifiers using the substitution method. And then we discussed two important applications of multiple generality, first to counting sentences and then to definite descriptions.